It's number 2 coming out of my rectum.
The Megan Racing exhaust is officially on the G37. This side is leaking very much. We love the burbles. Are you searching for that top quality apparel but just can't find what you're looking for? Well, stop right there and look no further and get yourself some merchandise for the G37. This is my first merch drop of the G37 and it's top quality, super soft, super comfy, and fits great. We also have sticker packs available of the G37 in the same design, so make sure to go check out hooptyhotline.com and shop some merchandise of the G37 Unicorn.
It's number 2 coming out of my rectum.
See what Hunter's up to. Is he out here? Oh, I would expect him to be out. The last time I saw him was out here. Oh, Hunter! Hunter, are you okay? Oh, when was the last time I seen it?
Don't look at that.
Good God, Hunter, are you okay? What's been what? Look a little mopey. Why the long face?
I don't know, man. I don't know what exhaust to put on my car. I can't even have one on for more than 4 months.
Oh Lord, shit. What does this mean, Hunter?
It means I'm financially unstable. I already know.
Well, yeah, but no, I mean, yeah, no, but you're the exhaust wizard. As a matter of fact, we happen to have an exhaust for you right outside. Right out. Let's go.
Let's go. What's going on, guys? Hunter. What's going on, guys? We're back with another video. We're doing another install video. If I make this basketball shot, you gotta like the video. We gotta get to 1 million subscribers. Yeah! Kobe, I'm canceling. Okay, I'm tired. I'm done. Huge shout out to today's sponsor, Simply Carbon Fiber. Get rid of your old hunk of junk wallet and make way for Simply Carbon Fiber's 100% real carbon fiber clip-on wallet. This wallet may be small, but it's lightweight and has plenty of room for all my cash and cards. I'm easily able to fit 5 cards and, like I said, some cash along with it, and they're all durable. They're not gonna slip out. They ain't going nowhere. And yes, we got the driver's license in there too. Don't worry. I've had this old wallet. It's time to switch. We got Simply Carbon Fiber's full carbon fiber wallet. Like I said, cash and cards, room for both of them, fits nice, super lightweight, small, fits in my pocket like a charm. If you want to get yourself one of these carbon fiber wallets, make sure to go check out simplycarbonfiber.com. They also have watches, phone cases, sunglasses, and even more. Make sure to go check them out after the video, of course, and find something you like. Use my code at checkout, HF10, for 10% off your order. Thank you again, Simply Carbon Fiber, for sponsoring this video and sending me out this wallet. I'm going to keep this on me from now on. Back to the video. Alrighty guys, normal intro. Today, we're going to be installing the Megan Racing single exit for the 370Z on my G37 with the extension pipe, of course. I've installed a lot of exhausts on this channel, and I pretty much am the exhaust wizard. I've pretty much had almost every exhaust. Obviously, not all of them, but Ready was nice. It sounded great, especially with my PP long tube headers, but it just, I kind of missed the loudness. Right here, we have the full Megan Racing 370Z exhaust, like I mentioned, with the extension pipe. I believe it's 10 inches. I could be wrong. We got new gaskets and everything. Bolts ready to go. Go ahead and put that on real quick. And there we have it. The Megan Racing exhaust is officially on the G37. It honestly looks like a Tome standing right here, which I really like. I love the blue tip. And let's be honest, we've all seen me put on these exhausts. They're bolt on, they're easy. We don't need to see that. And now it is officially time for what you guys came here for, the sound clips. So I changed out all of my gaskets in the Y pipe, from the headers, from the Y pipe to the exhaust, everything. So go ahead and turn it on. So I'm not sure if y'all can hear this. Something's leaking. I don't think I tightened one of the bolts right. Either way, it still sounds good from the back, so we're gonna go with that for now. I gotta go to the exhaust shop and get that fixed. I'm not really sure why it's leaking. I will tell you, my hand hurts. I was wrenching like crazy. That sounds good though, what the heck? I'm gonna go to the exhaust. Can you stop? I'm gonna go to the exhaust shop and get that leak fixed tomorrow. I'm not sure why it's leaking, but I'll get you guys some pure sound clips. Don't worry, I got you guys. Might be leaking because I actually did lose a bolt and I kind of replaced it with a smaller one. and that just might be why it's leaking. So yeah, it doesn't sound very good on the inside. Very exhaust leaky. Yeah, that exhaust leak is making those flames super tiny. What the fuck? Right under me. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little disappointed. I'm not even that low. The Gritty had no problem with it at all. And it's kind of weird too, because like the Gritty, it was pretty straight. There wasn't any like curves or anything like that. But the Megan was also like pretty straight. Like it wasn't low at all. And I'm still shooting sparks. And I don't know why. I don't know, I'm kind of having some mixed feelings about the Megan racing. I know I have long tube headers, and this exhaust leak definitely doesn't make it any better. Oh, that third to fourth gear shift is just, ah! Wait for it, wait for it. Woo! Oh, I love that. You know what would solve all of the problems in the world? Bags. But guess what? I don't have money, so let's get 1 million subscribers, guys. Let's go right now. Of course, we got to come back to what they used to be called New Star, now called Next Level Exhaust. They did a little remodeling, changed the name a little bit. We're gonna see what the exhaust leak is. I'm pretty sure it's one of the bolts, the little tiny one. I probably just put a wrong bolt, but I love how the muffler just like looks from this angle, like that whole like silver ring thing is just, oh. So I'm taking a look at under my exhaust. This side doesn't seem to be leaking. This side is leaking very much. As you can see, it's like gapped a lot. I'm sure it's just that bolt right there, so I'm gonna try to get it to replace the bolt. Also, I do have a crack in my resonator. That was already there. I was kind of already planning on getting that fixed, but there's also a really bad leak up here too. You can kind of see the little gasket maker flopping around, so I'm not sure why that's leaking. Alrighty, we just about finished everything up. I did get this gasket maker. You can get it at AutoZone, O'Reilly, Advanced Auto Parts, any of your local auto parts store. It's a red gasket maker. I use it between my gaskets. It helps keep them stable and sturdy, especially with shooting flames and stuff, because my gaskets get blown out a lot. Alright, moment of truth. Did the exhaust leak go away? Oh my god, it did. Oh, I'm so happy! The pops are back. They sound normal again. I don't know. I'm still kind of like iffy on if I like really like it. Obviously, I love the TIG Welding Creations one by far like top exhaust I've ever done. I gotta wait to get that. For those who don't know, my muffler fell off on the highway after I got my car totaled. I didn't put it back on right. And yeah, if y'all want to see the TIG Welding Creations exhaust video, I actually will leave a link down in the description to that one. I think I'll slowly get used to the Megan Racing and like it a little more over time. That's kind of what happened with the Gretty exhaust. I didn't like it at first, it was really quiet, but then I got used to it and I actually really liked it. Probably the second exhaust that I liked the most. I'm also very glad that I have a resonated Y pipe because I feel like that would sound not so good with the Megan Racing. Literally Houston, oh my goodness. Random cones in the middle of the street for no reason.